Hi Legate viewers, I'm not in Tuscany, though the domain and property I'm gonna present to you really looks like if it was an Italian property. All the fields behind me, all the trees, all the woods behind me are part of that domain. So this beautiful domain sits on the 4 hectares of forest field that you can see behind me. So if you are a nature lover, that's the ideal place for you. You could have horses. I mean, the place has lots of potential only with its exteriors. The house itself is made of granite, a really thick and solid rock. It's built on rock and it's overlooking a beautiful and fantastic lakes. What I love the most about this 300 square meter house is not only it is ideally located between Périgueux, Brive and also Limoges with 2 airports, one in Limoges, one in Brive, really easy access to that fantastic property and beautiful cities nearby. There's also a beautiful, lovely village with restaurant just 2 kilometers away from here. But also this has got a really special and unique Tuscan Italian style. The decorative and ornamental details really remind me of Italy. I've seen that in Tuscany and I think it really looks like if it was a Tuscany property. The patio itself is absolutely unique. It's beautiful and it's got on the terrace overlooking that patio a fantastic swimming pool. Currently it is green because we just opened it today. It has been closed for the whole winter. But in 2 days it's going to be absolutely clear blue. So the house is divided in 3 levels. Ground floor with a beautiful kitchen, a nice dining area, a nice lounge, and also it leads this lounge to the patio area. Additionally, on the ground floor, you'll find a study area and a utility room as well as a bathroom. In front of the house, there's a large garage for several cars and also a carport. Upstairs, 4 ensuite additional bedrooms. What I absolutely love about those bedrooms is that they all overlook the lakes. top floor, there's a TV cinema room and an additional 6th bedroom. So what have we got here? 6 bedrooms, a beautiful granite stone Italian-looking house, though we are in a protected national park of Périgord Limousin, and you won't believe the price. You must have a look at our website to know more about it, for us to organize a viewing if you are interested, and that's an exclusive property that you won't find anywhere else because it's exclusive to Leggett. For now, that's it for it, and see you soon in another beautiful property. Bye bye.